Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you connect your bank account to HoneyBook? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to connect your bank to HoneyBook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing consulting, you know that you can send out invoices through HoneyBook. And if you connected your bank, your customers can actually just pay right through the invoice. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and connect your bank account, you're going to click on your initials here on the top right. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here, Company Settings. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to click here, Bank Details. Okay, here they do let you know that your business or the owner need to be verified in order to connect your bank account and accept online payments. So first you want to go ahead and choose your company type from these three options. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and enter in the required information. So they're asking for my business name, merchant. Here you need to enter in your URL or some sort of a social media profile. If you don't have either one of those, you can go ahead and just write a good description on what types of services or products that you're selling. This will be verified by HoneyBook in order to receive payments through their system. And next, you're going to go ahead and enter your account number, your routing number, and the name of your bank. So I'm going to go ahead and enter this information in off screen. Okay, entered the required information. I'm going to click on save. Okay, next, they're requiring me to set up two-step verification. So I'm going to go ahead and have them text me a code. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes and it's telling me I need to update my business owner information. So I'm going to click right here, add owner information. Okay, now it's asking for my first name, last name, date of birth, social security number, home street address, city, state, and zip code. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that in. And it looks like they're asking for a copy of my driver's license and passport. Again, this is really normal because we're going to be accepting payments through HoneyBook, so they need to verify that I'm an actual person and I'm not just a scammer. So I'm going to enter this information in off screen. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. I went ahead and uploaded my identification along with my personal details, including my social security number. And now I can go ahead and start accepting payments directly from my invoices. And if you want to check to see what types of payments your customers can pay with, right down here on the left side, click on Client Payment Methods. Okay, as you can see right here, so my customers can go ahead and pay with Visa, MasterCard, Amex, or Discover. And I'm going to be charged 2.9% plus 25 cents, which I guess is pretty much the industry standard. Now, if you're going to be doing automatic payments, you can see that the processing fee is going to be a little different. It's going to be 3.4% plus 9 cents. So this is for auto pay. Now, if you've been paid by your customers and then you're going to have that money transferred directly into your account immediately, there's a 1% fee for that instead of waiting 2 days. And then also I can receive ACH payments. So it looks like I'm going to get paid in about 7 to 8 days for that. And the processing fee is 1.5%. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to connect your bank to your HoneyBook account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.